ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ to all. You are watching Kannada Kali YouTube channel. This is Satish here. You know something, the time. We are going to discuss about the time today. What is the time now? You know how to say? ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ. ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ. ಒಂದು is one. ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ. ಗಂಟೆ is actually o'clock. ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ. How to say 2 o'clock? ಎರಡು ಗಂಟೆ. YERA capital D U. ಎರಡು ಗಂಟೆ. Okay. How to say 3 o'clock? ಮೂರು ಗಂಟೆ. How to say 4 o'clock? ನಾಲ್ಕು ಗಂಟೆ. NAALAKKU. 3 is 3. MOORU. How to say 5 o'clock? ಐದು ಗಂಟೆ. 6 6 ಗಂಟೆ. 7 ಏಳು ಗಂಟೆ. ಓಕೆ. 8 ಎಂಟು ಗಂಟೆ. 8 YEN capital TU. 9 ಒಂಬತ್ತು ಗಂಟೆ. 10 10 ಗಂಟೆ. Okay, now the time is 1 o'clock, assume. But how to say 1:15? What is the spelling for Ondu? Ondu is 1, am I right? ONDU. So what we have to do, in ONDU, remove that U. Apply double O. It will become Ondu. Stretch that double O. Ondu, how to say quarter? Okay, Ondu kalu. Kalu is leg also. Okay, Hindi में भी हमने यूज करते हैं ना, पाव करके बोलते हैं. Agree? So kalu is actually quarter. Ondu kalu is 1:15. But same thing can be applied for the measurements also. Ondu kal kg is actually 1 kilo 250 grams. Here the time concept it is 1:15. Okay. So 1 o'clock 15 minutes. Okay. So ondu kalu is, let's actually turn into ondu kalu. So okay. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು. Let me turn it. See, now it is ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು. Okay, this is ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು is 1 o'clock 15 minutes. But how to say 1:30? How to say 1:30? Now what we have to do? We should go towards same ONDOO we have to take, and then वरे. वरे indicates वो जो 1:30 2:30 बोलते हैं ना, like that. Okay, ಒಂದೂವರೆ is 1 o'clock 30 minutes. But if you say ಒಂದೂವರೆ kg, that is 1 kilo 500 grams. There you can apply same concept for the measurements also. Okay, ಒಂದೂವರೆ. Got it? But how to say the 3/4? That means 1:45. How to say? Now what we have to do? Let's go to here. So now it is ಒಂದು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. You know what is ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು? ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು indicates ಮೂರು ಕಾಲು. Did you get my point? ಕಾಲು is actually quarter, am I right? ಕಾಲು. ಮೂರು ಕಾಲು, we use it as ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. Okay? So that's why we even shape for the Shiva saying that ಮುಕ್ಕಣ್ಣ. You know what does it mean ಮುಕ್ಕಣ್ಣ? ಮೂರು ಕಣ್ಣ. The one actually who has 3 eyes. ಮೂರು ಕಣ್ಣು ಇರೋವನೇ ಮುಕ್ಕಣ್ಣ. Okay? So ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು indicates 3/4. I mean 3 quarters. Okay. So ಒಂದು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. After that, so you can actually reach 2 o'clock. How to say now the ಎರಡು ಗಂಟೆ. 2 o'clock. ಎರಡು ಗಂಟೆ 2 o'clock. So how to say 1 o'clock? ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ. 1:15 ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು. So ONDOO you need to take. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು. How to say 1:30? ಒಂದೂವರೆ. ವರೆ VAR capital E. ಒಂದೂವರೆ. How to say 1:45? ಒಂದು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. How to say 2 o'clock? ಎರಡು ಗಂಟೆ. In the next video, let's actually discuss about, maybe we also try to apply one small conversation using this time concept. Okay, I hope this video will be useful to you all. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ to all.